Imagine the following scenario. Your boss calls you in his or her office asking you for help with a new project. Or perhaps it's an existing project where the previous project manager has left. The project is urgent and it's critical that you get traction with the project soon. Where do you start? What is the starting point for kicking off a new project or taking over an existing project? In this chapter, you will learn why every project needs a project charter and what to include in it. Why is a project charter important? Because it helps you to explain and sell the project to internal stakeholders and to get buy-in and to get authority for resources. If you take over an existing project, the first step is to review existing documents. As a first step, you want to find out if the project charter or business case has been created. These two documents help all project stakeholders to get on the same page, literally. If you are unable to obtain a project charter and a business case, you will need to create these critical documents. The project charter has the following purposes. First, formal authorization to initiate the project. Second, formal authorization to use organizational resources for the project. The charter helps you to get authorization from senior management. Using a comparable format, projects can be ranked and prioritized. The charter serves as a primary sales document for the project ranking. Stakeholders have one or two-page summary to distribute, present, and keep handy for fending off other projects or operations. The charter serves as a focal point throughout the project. For example, it's a baseline that can be used in team meetings and in change control meetings to assist with scope management. The project charter should include the following items. You want to include the project name. The project name can be descriptive, for example, customer service improvement project. Or the project could be an abbreviation with a meaning, for example, CSIP, which could stand for Customer Service Improvement Project. If you can't come up with a project name, you can skip this part at the beginning and circle back later when you filled out the rest of the project charter. The business problem. What is the business issue that should be resolved? Why is it an issue? What is the root cause? Why is it really a business need? Here's an example. Customers frequently complain about delayed inquiry resolutions. Customer service teams are unable to resolve inquiries in a timely manner due to long investigation times. This results in a high customer attrition. Next, the project goal or project objective. The charter should include the project goal, project goals, or less or more specific objectives. So the project charter should include at least a project goal. Project goals or even more specific project objectives. Project objectives should be SMART. Specific, target a specific area of improvement. Measurable, quantify an indicator or metrics of progress. Achievable, state what results can be realistically achieved given available resources. Relevant, state how it's related to the overall goal. And time related, specify when the results can be achieved. Here's an example. The project goal is to improve customer inquiry resolution time by 50% and reduce inquiry reopening rates by 80% by end of year. Next section is a project scope. Describe what is part of the project and what is not part of the project. For example, in scope are North America customer service for Platinum clients. Out of scope are other regions and lower tier client segments. Next, the project team and stakeholders. In this section, you want to include the project manager, the core team, the subject matter experts, the business sponsor, and all senior stakeholders. Next section is the success metrics or criteria. In this section, you include progress metrics. For example, you could include inquiry resolution time or inquiry reopening rates. Last section is the assumptions. In this section, you want to validate your assumptions. For example, we will use only pre-approved vendor for this project. Solutions need to scale globally, and projects need to be completed within 6 months. Oftentimes, project managers skip these documents because they feel that they don't have bandwidth to create this document or that they can't decide which template to use. I recommend just start with a simple one-page project charter. Once a project is approved or pre-approved, and you have more confidence that the project will actually happen, then you can expand the project charter and include other items. For example, high-level risk management plan, maybe a communication plan, a target project benefits, and high-level budget for the project. In summary, a project charter helps you to sell the project and get authorization from senior management. It should include project names, issues, stakeholders, scope, key metrics, and assumption. There's no need for a lengthy document before you know that the project happens. Just start with a one-pager and expand later as needed. Remember, don't start working on a project task before you understand the main project components as outlined in a project charter.